Alright, hello everyone, it is me, Maddie the Globco Gapgalab. And yeah, so I'm just gonna do a reaction video to Birds of Italy, which is a video made by my friend, a random Bulldori Soup. And yeah, I don't really know what else to say. I mean, yeah. So let's get started with that, shall we? Alright, so here in front of me we've got
the video going on, or well, it's not started yet, but we shall do that right now. So yeah, it doesn't have any sound. Okay, and here's the first picture. Oh, okay. Also, the video is 32 minutes long, so I don't know. Those are some radical birds. I hear like waterfall noises, stuff in the background. But yeah, those are some noise birds. Oh yeah, I guess that was the water noise in the background. Okay, for some reason this video doesn't have sound. Or like this clip. I don't know. Okay, I'm barely like a minute in and I'm kind of bored. Just because it's like the same general stuff. But yeah, I hope something happens. I don't know why this clip doesn't have audio. I don't know. I also like how the birds aren't really afraid of humans. Like usually, like you take like one step towards them and then they get all like freaked out, you know? I'm just gonna skip ahead. How long is this clip? Okay, there you go.
How do you know it's the same seagull? Maybe it's Stanley.
Oh yeah, I remember that on her Snapchat story, she posted a lot about Stanley, which is a certain like seagull that she talked about. So yeah.
Here with me are Katie Griggs and Michael Bootsy Four. Katie Griggs too. And I'm in front of Mamma Betta, that is the restaurant in the
Who's the
Jewish
person in the
district.
background? Is it like a tour guide or something?
Sorry? I can hear you well. Okay, so it's very, very tell me.
Yeah, okay, also since I don't want this video to be super long, I am going to be maybe like cutting a few parts out or just skipping ahead or stuff. Since like if this video ends up being like 30ish minutes long, it's going to take forever to upload. And I don't want that. So yeah.
Almost feet touching it. Very good pigeon. Very good.
Also, I don't know why this thing keeps popping up. But it does. I don't even know like what it's from.
There's another one. This one seems clayless.
Oh my gosh, it's popping up again. I'm just gonna like ignore that. I'm kind of bored, so I'm just gonna like do random stuff, you know? I'm still watching the video though. I feel like no one's gonna watch this and it's gonna end up being like a waste of time or something.
Shelby Stewartson.
Stewartson?
Yeah, like this thing, like I said, I managed to find some really cheap tickets.
Take my bait, Pigeon. Pigeon, take my bait. No. Take my bait. But that one was the one that fell on the ground. So I gave it to some. I made a mistake. No.
Wait. So I'm going to assume that she was feeding the birds or like trying to and then just a bunch came.
The
Oh
other
wait.
tour, if you want to go deeper to that area and that side of the ghetto, including the Marcello Theater, is the driving tour. So we
Oh my gosh, look at that big thing of birds, boy. Boy.
It's a local tour. I mean, yes. So first you start in this area, and then by minivan we move to other.
Oh, I also see what the other Madison was talking about. She said that there was like cobblestone streets, but they were like really bumpy. Yeah, the streets do seem very pretty. So, yeah. My eyes itchy. Okay, I don't know why I'm like blowing them towards my computer. The bubbles. Ooh, maybe that's too much. What is that noise? It sounds scary.
I know.
Is that like an ambulance or something? Because it sounds scary. I do remember the other Madison saying that there was like really loud like ambulances or whatever during the night, so I'm going to assume that that's what she was talking about.
And then a large amount of because this building costs a lot, and then a large amount of materials. Because in addition to this,
Ooh. Yes, and the streets look really pretty. My foot's falling asleep.
inside the park. I mean,
For
in the coastal
example,
area, you are not
anyway,
to the right is a pigeon.
Throwing in that White House because I went there to give him a brief one time.
Yeah, you
I was
got
sitting
it.
there, I was like, I gotta get this one.
Yeah, exactly.
What are these people in the background, like talking? Oh, that is quite the radical bird. Yeah, I don't know. This is mostly like the same, but then there's wait. Okay, what was that? Did you? Well, I mean, I'm going to assume that you did. The noise in the background. Okay, see, this has already been going on for 10 minutes, and in the actual video, I'm 12-ish minutes in, but still, I don't know.
Gelato?
Oh my gosh, wait, what? Oh, and a bird just flew at her. Why am I taking the time to make this video?
Durante Bar.
Oh, that was loud. La Carbonara. I purposely said that really weirdly.
You want to sit down here?
Well, I don't know how much.
Haha, I caught bubble. Ow! Why is that bird walking so slowly and why is there no audio? I have a feeling she slowed this down. Oh. Yeah, I don't know. Oof, what is this? Is like the same clip, but like really slow and really long. Okay, there you go. It's kind of the same, but yeah. I feel like I'm complaining a lot and like sounding really annoying, so sorry if I am. I'm just, I don't know. Like, so it's a long video and I'm not that like patient. So yeah, and soap just went in my mouth. But those are some very radical birds. Okay, I'm going to give this video a like, because why not? Okay, there you go. Yeah, see, it's slowed down again. I think to just like put some slow motion videos. But yeah. When was this uploaded? Okay, this was uploaded April 13th. It is like April 15th. So, haha, I'm 2 days late.
They're not friends.
Isn't that great?
How
Oh, here. Here.
Okay, I feel like I'm like, now I'm just having no reaction, like not talking at all, and I feel like that just makes the video boring.
Poor pigeons.
Oh my gosh, what? Oh, pigeons, what? Oh my gosh, what is happening? Are they feeding the pigeons bread? Because I thought that wasn't like good for them or something. I don't know. Ew.
Don't pick them. He's got like all the things.
Why are there so many pigeons, boy? The lighting's kind of weird. Like right there's just this huge like thing of white, which is the window, but like I don't know. It's just weird. And okay, I like how they're not afraid of humans. Like I know I already said that, but I don't know. Oh my gosh, wait, okay, so like seriously, there's so many pigeons. What? Okay, how far into the video am I? I'm 21 minutes, which is good. We only got like 10 more minutes. I wonder, oh! I wonder what I'm gonna make the thumbnail for this video. Wait, you can't hear what she's saying, there's so much wind in this clip. Oh, wait. And now it's loading, what, why? Oof. Oof, okay, what's happening? Boy. Okay, I'll be right
Back. Okay, you guys, I am back.
So let's just continue reacting to the video. I just had a few like technical problems with like the Wi-Fi and stuff, but we should be good now, so yeah.
They're so cute. Why don't you like them, Dad?
I do.
I wonder how long this has been like going on for, because I mean I have to start the video again, so now it's at 45 seconds. I also wonder when my grandma's gonna get back, because she said that she'd be like going somewhere. So right now I'm home alone. That's why I'm taking this time to react to the video. So I hope she's not coming back too soon. Ooh, those houses look cool. I mean, I think their houses are. Oh, okay, that's a bit loud. So, how you guys doing? I don't really know. I'm bored. And I'm blowing bubbles and watching this video. So yeah. I wonder how I'm going to put these two videos together, because like I'm looking this way, but I'm also like on this side of the screen, so I don't know where I'm gonna put the other thing. Okay, I'm almost done with this video. There's only like 5 minutes left. Oh! I have the Total Drama theme song stuck in my head. No idea why. TikTok ruined it too. Wait, why would you give the burger ice cream? What?
Thank you for your stay, sir. Oh, you're so cute. Is that my friend that walked up to me?
Oh! Oh, and yeah, I'm still in like my pajamas. So that's fun.
Why didn't you? I wasn't taking photos.
Maddie, there you go. People are taking.
Oh!
Oh my god. I mean, Mamma Mia.
Why are there so many birds? Oof. Vanessa. That's my friend's name. That's the only reason I pointed that out.
What is the birds fight?
Still kind of bored. I'm not gonna lie.
Hold on.
Mommy.
We've only got like a minute left. So yeah. Oh my gosh, wait, that chicken is beautiful. Or rooster. I don't know. Oh. Well, well, that's the end of the video. Wow. Okay. Don't mind what I have there. Whatever. Okay, description, I love birds. I don't know. But we are done. Or I'm done. What? I don't know. Yeah, so it was a pretty good video. I guess I enjoyed it. If I wasn't doing a reaction video, I'd probably have only watched like 5 minutes of it. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this reaction
Video. If you did, please do give it a like, subscribe, comment, share, or whatever. Do all that noise stuff. And yeah, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!